we are reporting that our estimate for real GDP growth for the July to September 2019 quarter is 0.3% relative to the corresponding quarter of 2018. The projected outturn for the July to September 2019 quarter largely reflected the positive impact of increased domestic demand pushed by record levels of employment, increased consumer and business confidence levels, which spurred investment and consumer demand, and continued stability in the macroeconomic environment, which augured well for the business environment. However, further growth was tempered by drought conditions, which negatively impacted the performance of some industries, particularly agriculture, forestry and fishing, and electricity and water. The services industry is estimated to have grown by 1.2% relative to the corresponding quarter of the previous year, reflecting higher real value added in all industries. The goods producing industry was projected to have contracted by 2.1%, reflecting a downturn in performance in 3 of the 4 sub-industries. Manufacturing was the only goods producing industry estimated to have recorded growth. For the first 9 months of 2019, real GDP is estimated to have increased by 1.2%. This reflected higher real value added for the goods producing industry of 0.1% and the services industry of 1.6%. The industries which recorded the largest increases during this 9-month period were manufacturing, up 1.2%, finance and insurance, up 3.3%, and hotels and restaurants, up 5.3%. We expect real GDP for the October to December 2019 quarter to grow within the range of 0 to 1%, resulting in a calendar year 2019 projection within a range of 0.5% to 1.5%. For fiscal year 2019-2020, the economy is projected to grow within the range of 0 to 1%.